Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Welder MIG 205 DS Welder. The Welder MIG 250 Pro is an excellent choice for beginners thanks to its intuitive menu, easy-to-read digital display, and a plethora of valuable features like automatic settings. But it is also a multi-process welder, so you can perform basic DC TIG and stick welding. If you are just starting, the Welder MIG 250 Pro will get you hands-on experience with more processes. The Welder MIG 250 Pro is cheap considering the number of included functions. It doesn't represent a great value like the Eastwood MIG 180. Both of these options are good for beginners and light shop use. But, Welder offers more features without the spool gun, while Eastwood has a longer warranty and a lower price. The Welder MIG 250 Pro supports 2T/4T, and you can use 4T mode to maximum capacity thanks to the extended duty cycle. Our second best welder for aluminum is Thulium 250A Aluminum Welder. This nifty little welder is great for welding aluminum and is compatible with a spool gun or MIG torch with a graphite wire feed tube. It's a great choice for novices and professionals alike, easy to carry around, and doesn't have any unique or exotic parts that you'll find difficult to replace. It sets up in no time and is straightforward and intuitive to use. Another multi-welding type tool, this Thulium offers you gas MIG, flux MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. While it isn't solid enough to throw around without a care, the results it gives are. This little machine lays in fillets and the occasional gap amazingly. Having a hot start plasma and multiprocess welder for under 1K is rare, especially one that works so well. The Thulium welder is big enough to handle 2 pounds of D100 wire and 10 pounds of D200. It can be used with various welding wire, .040 solid or flux or aluminum wire, 035 solid/flux wire, 030 solid or flux wire, 024 solid wire. It's also got a dual voltage input design as the welding machine can be plugged into 110 or 220 volts dual voltage. Third pick in our list is Eastwood 180 amp MIG welder. This is portable welder lightweight at less than 26 pounds, operates on both 120 and 240 volts for maximum usability, welds mild and stainless steel, 24 gauge to 5/16 of an inch, aluminum, 14 gauge to 1/4 of an inch with a spool gun available separately or with a MIG 180. This IGBT inverter technology with 30 to 180 amp welding range, Eastwood MIG welder has metal drive motor for smoothest operation and uses .023 to .035 wire in 4 inches and 8 inches spools, has 2T/4T modes for comfort during long welds and tack weld setting for consistency with sheet metal projects. Eastwood offers solutions which combines our 4,000 plus unique products with the know-how to do the job right. With an in-house product design, development and testing and a strong track record of high-quality, innovative products. Used and trusted by top builders to beginners and also provides a lifetime tech support. Appropriate footwear with substantial uppers and rubber soles must be worn. Protective welding helmet with the correct grade of UV lens for MIG must be worn. Protective leather welding gloves must be worn when using this equipment. Number 4 in our side is Lotos MIG 175 MIG welder. The Lotos MIG 175 features an aluminum wire feeder which gives you a better and more stable welding experience. You can use this welder for mild steel, aluminum, and other metals. It already includes a spool gun, so there's no need to purchase it separately. The high-speed MIG spool gun is reliable and durable for aluminum welding. It's 10 feet 4 inches long, has a 4-prong end connection, and has a 1-pound aluminum wire with 0.9 mm diameter. It can weld 3/16 or thinner aluminum plates. It's a very versatile, durable, and reliable welder that's great for beginners and pros alike. It requires a 220-volt DC input, and is a great choice for any industrial and consumer jobs requiring only a tiny, portable welder. This welder isn't as light as the other options featured here, but its output might just make it worth it. It boasts quality welds for a fair price tag, even if the consumables are a little expensive. A quick fix for that is to use Lincoln-compatible consumables, as they work perfectly with this machine and don't cost too much. Number 5 in our top 5 best welder for aluminum list is Lincoln Electric FC90 Welder. The Lincoln Electric FC90 Welder Anywhere Common 120-volt input power is available. The small lightweight inverter design allows for portability, perfect for small weld jobs. Automatic thermal protector shuts off the output until the machine cools to a normal operating temperature. Ideal for maintenance and mobile welders, thanks to its small and lightweight inverter design and shoulder strap for portability. The MIG gun is not up to snuff. Plus, the TIG torch and foot control pedal are not included, and the duty cycle is too short. The Power MIG 210MP is marketed as a beginner welder for DIY, but it is capable of shop-grade welding, too. Unfortunately, Lincoln Electric limited its duty cycle to DIY work only. Still, the Power MIG 210MP will do great for professionals who need a portable, reliable MIG welder for aluminum. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.